Our plot is a beautiful blend of agriculture, greenery, and traditional farming practices. Turmeric plants are cultivated in a separate area of the plot, providing an organized space for healthy growth and maintenance. The lush green plants add natural beauty to the land while also serving as a valuable spice and medicinal crop. This dedicated cultivation area reflects traditional farming practices and sustainable agriculture care. The land includes healthy banana plantains, tapioca plants, papaya trees, jackfruit trees, chili plant. It also includes pomegranate plant, guava sapling, tamarind sapling. One unique feature of the property is the traditional rubber processing setup located on one side of the land. It includes a manual rubber rolling machine and a grooved rubber sheet rolling machine used for further processing of rubber sheets. This adds both agricultural and industrial value to the plot, reflecting traditional rubber cultivation practices. Towering rubber trees cover much of this area, adding to the lush scenery and giving the plot a peaceful plantation atmosphere. It is filled with a variety of plants and trees that create a rich and natural environment. Coconut seedlings are young coconut plants carefully grown for future cultivation. With their fresh green leaves and strong roots, they symbolize growth and sustainability. These seedlings thrive in warm tropical climates and are essential for developing healthy coconut trees that provide coconuts, shade, and natural beauty to farms and gardens. The land includes lemon tree, nutmeg tree, curry leaf plants, turmeric plants, and coleus barbatus plants. The combination of fruit trees, spice plants, medicinal plants, and rubber processing makes the land diverse, productive, and naturally beautiful. It is a place full of greenery, freshness, and the charm of rural life, offering both utility and a calm connection with nature.